A skiggle-diggy, a skiggle-diggo, a skiggle-diggy and a go.
Blueberry and friends.
The Blueberry Show. Blueberry gets hot because everybody's got a cold.
Hi, everybody. Stoopy over there for the Blueberry Show.
Hi, Blueberry.
Hi, Peach. What's going on? So good to see you over there. I'm so happy to see y'all. Hi, Gorilla. How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Oh, you got a bad cold there. I'm so sorry to hear that, Alfie. And what about you? Hi, Momma Tweety.
Oh, for goodness sakes, Doobie. Hi.
Oh, that's okay. You got a little bit of a bad cold over there. That's okay. I'm so happy to see you. I'm so glad you could make it over there.
Well, Doobie, I'm the only one that didn't get achoo!
Oh, that's a bad cold over there, Peach. Well, so glad y'all came. And let's sit down and we're going to go to our first break. And then we'll come back and talk to everybody, okay?
And cut. What is going on? I can't believe that y'all coming here with that cold like this, coughing in my face. You got some kind of nerve. I got more goo on me than a goofy goober. That's not right for you guys to come in like this. And what you doing? My hat on. That's my hat. Give it back, Peage. You gotta be kidding me. You guys are making me crazy right here. Coming here sneezing like this. Y'all all go home or something, get some medication or go to sleep. You know, but go have some vitamin C. But don't come on my show sneezing and coughing. Now I'm about had it.
And action. So, we're back from the break with my bestest friends. I'm so happy that they all came over there. Gorilla and Momma Tweety and little Peach. I'm so glad to see everybody. So, what have you been up to, Gorilla?
I'm giving my best shirt.
Oh, that's a nice shirt, Peach. I really love it over there.
Oh, Doobie, you look so smart in that jumper.
Oh, thank you over there. So Gorilla, let me ask you a question. What's been going on with you over there?
Well, I've been eating lots of bananas. That's why I never get sick, you know? That's one thing.
That's okay, Gorilla. You got a bad cold over there. Maybe you could have some hot tea or something. And maybe you could sit over there and see if you feel better.
I feel fine, Gorilla. I mean, I feel fine, Doobie. And,
yeah, but you kind of are a close talker, you know? You kind of stand too close over there. Why don't you move a little bit away?
What do you mean I stand too close? You know, I'm a gorilla. That's how I stand, you know?
Must be a personal space thing that you got or something. You're from Canada, right? So, you're French-Canadian?
That's right, I'm French-Canadian, so why, you know?
Well, you stand a little too close sometimes, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, since when you say you know, Doobie?
And cut. Gorilla, get your big feet off of me right now. I've done told you. You smell like bananas and you're all over me, and I told you to back up. You get too close. I don't like that. This is my show. I'm about to throw you out of here. Listen, who sent this gorilla in here anyway? He smells, he's big, he's ugly. Why is he here?
Doobie, Gorilla was invited to come talk about his bananas.
Well, that's fine, but I just... And action.
I'm so glad Gorilla's here with his banana story. And so, what happened?
Well, I went into the jungle, you know, and in the jungles of Canada, you know, and I
didn't know Canada had jungles over there.
Yeah, and the best bananas in the world, you know. So I had all these bananas in the plantation, you know, and I was taking them to the market to make a lot of money because I'm very rich, you know. In Canada, I'm the richest and the most handsome of all.
Oh, that's nice, Gorilla. I'm so happy to hear that of you. And Peach, what have you been doing over there?
Well, I've been fishing through Antarctica, and I've been swimming in the coldest water that you could imagine. And the reason why I don't get too cold is because I have a layer of blubber over me.
Oh, that's so nice over there. And
that's why I don't catch a cold.
Oh, that's very nice over there. I'm so glad that you're not gonna sneeze on me or anything.
Yeah, of course I'm not gonna. Achoo!
Oh, no, you got a bad cold too, Peach. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, and a bad cough over there. No, I'm not wiping my face because you sneezed and coughed on me. I'm just wiping the tears. I'm a little sad that you're so sick over there.
And let's go to break and cut.
Peage, you gotta be kidding. you coughed right in my face. Look at the goo on my eye now. Somebody give me a washcloth or something. Give me a towel. I gotta clean up.
Yeah.
These two jokers coming here sneezing and coughing all over me. I about had it, I tell you.
Next time I'll try to sneeze in my elbow.
If you're looking for Blue Betty, he'll be in his trailer. I tell you, I about had it. I tell you, I about had it. I'm going down there.
Oh, for goodness sakes, what is going on here? I've got to catch a plane. I've got to catch a plane. I've got to get to the next show. This is preposterous. Can I get my Pellegrino, please? I need some sparkling water, and I need it now. I'm almost thirsty.
Yes, well, we must do it for the children, really. That's the whole reason I'm putting up with this Blue Benny character.
Oh, it's for the children. I almost forgot about the little people. I was so concerned and thinking about only myself. I've got a plane to catch, and I've got to go. I need some sparkling water. I can't drink this tap water.
And where's Blue Benny? Blue Benny to the set. Blue Benny to the set.
Oh man, I about had it. What's going on here? We got one more segment. Okay, let's go.
And action.
Oh, everybody, and I want to say hi to Momma Tweety. I'm so glad she came. It's been a while. Oh, for goodness sakes, it has been a while, Juvie. It's so good to see you. And so what have you been up to over there? Well, I've been flying around the jungles, and I've been looking around when I found Peage on that island. I mean, on that iceberg.
And you've been looking for gummy worms for me?
Yes, Peage, I've been looking for worms for you, boy.
I said gummy worms are delicious.
Oh, gummy worms? Those are crazy. You're not gonna eat gummy worms. Oh, for goodness sake.
They're sweet and delicious, and they're for children, not for Tweety birds.
Oh my gosh. I never heard of gummy worms. This is crazy. So anyway, let me get back to talking to Blueby. It's his show. He invited me here. So Blueby, yeah, I've been doing a lot of things, and I even started thinking about starting my own show called the Momma Tweety Show.
Oh, no, you don't, Momma Tweety.
Oh boy, what's your deal?
Oh, I've been starting to think that I would rename this channel called the Peage Channel.
I don't think so, boy. Oh, boy, that's crazy. Listen, it's the Momma Tweety Show, and that's how it's always been, boy. Just stop it over there and go have some worms.
To be no, you have some fish, I tell you now.
I hate fish.
Here's some fish.
For God's sakes, everybody calm down over there. Everybody just calm down. Achoo! Oh, bless you, Peach. I'm so happy, everybody.
Okay, we're going to wrap up the show.
Okay, everybody, so good to see everybody. I'm so glad y'all came. And we'll catch you next time on the Blue Benny Show. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Oh, wow, that's okay. Oh, just a little sneezing. Okay. All right, bye, everybody.
And cut.
Get me out of this cesspool of sneezings and coughings and worms. I've about had it. Arguing, Momma Tweety, Momma Peage, yelling at each other. This is crazy. This is the Blue Benny Show. This is my show. And it's a calm, happy show. I don't need all this fighting here. I'm getting out of here. I'll see you later. If you want to see me, I'll be on the plane to my new movie set because I about had it with this show. Bye.
Okay, if you enjoyed this over there, do the thumbs up over there, then subscribe.